Hey there, radicals! We've got a powerful topic lined up that's all about your health and well-being. You know, as the seasons of life change, so do our health needs. And if you're a woman in your 40s or 50s, this one's especially for you. We're diving deep into the 13 essential health tests that you should consider during this vibrant phase of life. Tests like the mammogram and more. Each one plays a unique role in maintaining your health and detecting potential issues early. They're like your health's personal detective squad, working diligently to keep you in the prime of life. So what can you expect today? We're going to break down each of these health tests, discussing what they're for, why they're crucial for women in their 40s and 50s, and the benefits they offer. Buckle up because knowledge is about to come your way. Our first essential test is the mammogram, a crucial tool in the early detection of breast cancer. A mammogram is an X-ray picture of the breast. Doctors use mammograms to look for early signs of breast cancer. Regular mammograms are the best tests doctors have to find breast cancer early. But why is it so important? Well, breast cancer is one of the leading causes of cancer deaths among women. 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with it during her lifetime. But here's the silver lining. When breast cancer is detected early, the 5-year relative survival rate is nearly 100%. That's why mammograms are so critical. They can detect tumors that are too small to feel or see, and this early detection can save lives. So, ladies, always prioritize this test. Remember, early detection is key in the fight against breast cancer. Next up, we have the Pap Smear and HPV Test, 2 powerful tools in detecting cervical cancer. The Pap Smear is a simple procedure where a sample of cells is taken from the cervix, the lower part of the uterus, and examined for any abnormalities. The HPV test, on the other hand, checks for the presence of the human papillomavirus, a common sexually transmitted infection that can cause cervical cancer. These tests are vital because early detection is key in treating cervical cancer. Did you know that cervical cancer is the 4th most common cancer in women worldwide? Yet, with routine Pap smears and HPV tests, the chances of catching it early skyrocket, and the survival rate is over 90%. So don't underestimate the power of these tests. They are not just routine procedures, but life-saving measures. Staying vigilant with these tests can help catch any issues early on. Our third health test is the bone density test, essential for detecting osteoporosis. Now, you might be wondering, what's a bone density test? Well, it's a specialized test that measures the calcium and other mineral levels in your bones, helping doctors to anticipate your risk of fractures. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, which can lead to conditions like osteoporosis. This is particularly important for women, who are more susceptible to this condition, especially after menopause. Let's put this into perspective. According to the International Osteoporosis Foundation worldwide, 1 in 3 women over the age of 50 will experience osteoporotic fractures. That's a staggering statistic. This is why conducting a bone density test regularly is crucial. It allows for early detection and preventive measures, ensuring your bones remain strong and healthy as you age. So keeping track of your bone health is vital as you age. Next on our list is the cholesterol and lipid profile test, a key player in heart health. Now you might be asking, what exactly is a cholesterol and lipid profile test? Well, this test measures the levels of different types of lipids or fats in your blood, including LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, HDL, good cholesterol, and triglycerides. Each of these components plays a significant role in your overall heart health. High levels of LDL and triglycerides, or low levels of HDL, can increase your risk of developing heart disease. According to the American Heart Association, heart disease is the leading cause of death for women in the United States, making this test incredibly important. Regular cholesterol and lipid profile tests allow for early detection and preventive measures, giving you the power to control and improve your heart health before it's too late. So keep an eye on your heart health. It's crucial. Moving on, we have the blood pressure check, another critical test that might seem simple but holds immense importance. A blood pressure check measures the force of your blood against the walls of your arteries, giving us 2 readings. The first, or top number, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats, and the second, or bottom number, measures the pressure in your arteries between beats. But why is this test so important? Well, it's because it can diagnose hypertension, a condition also known as high blood pressure. Hypertension often has no symptoms, earning it the nickname the silent killer, as it can lead to serious health complications like heart disease and stroke. According to the American Heart Association, Nearly half of all adults in the United States have high blood pressure, many without even knowing it. Regular blood pressure checks allow for early detection and preventive measures, providing you with the opportunity to manage and control your blood pressure before it escalates into something much more serious. So make sure you're keeping up with your blood pressure checks. Remember, hypertension is a silent killer, so regular checks are a must to stay ahead in your health journey. Next up on our health test journey is the blood sugar test, a crucial tool in the early detection of diabetes. This test measures the amount of sugar or glucose in your blood. But how does it work? Well, when you consume food, your body breaks it down into glucose, which is then used for energy. Insulin, a hormone produced by your pancreas, helps your cells absorb this glucose. However, in conditions like diabetes, your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or doesn't use it effectively, leading to high blood sugar levels. Now, why is this test so important? It's because diabetes, if left unchecked, can lead to serious health complications such as heart disease, kidney disease, and even blindness. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 34 million people in the United States have diabetes, and many are not even aware of their condition. Regular blood sugar tests allow for early detection and preventive measures, letting you manage and control your blood sugar levels before it escalates into something much more serious. So, keep a check on your sugar levels. It's sweet for your health. Moving on to the next important health test, let's talk about colorectal cancer screening. This test is a vital tool in detecting colorectal cancer, which affects both the colon and the rectum. Colorectal cancer screening involves checking for polyps or cancerous cells in the colon or rectum. But why is this test so crucial? It's because colorectal cancer is the third most common cancer in both men and women, and early detection can significantly increase the chances of successful treatment. This screening is not just a test, but a potential lifesaver. Regular screenings allow for the early detection and removal of precancerous polyps, as well as the diagnosis of cancer at an early stage, when treatment is most likely to be successful. It's a testament to the saying, "Prevention is better than cure." So remember, early detection is key in the fight against colorectal cancer. Make sure to include this screening in your regular health checkups. Moving forward, let's venture into the territory of another key health test, the thyroid function test. This test is a crucial tool in detecting thyroid disorders. Now you might wonder, what exactly is a thyroid function test? It's a series of blood tests that measure how well your thyroid gland is working. This includes measuring the levels of thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, and thyroid hormones T3 and T4. Why is this test so important? It's because the thyroid, a small butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, plays a fundamental role in your metabolism, heart rate, and energy levels. A thyroid disorder can affect all these aspects, leading to symptoms like fatigue, weight changes, depression, and even heart problems. Thyroid disorders are more common in women, especially those over 40. Hence, regular thyroid function tests are vital for early detection and preventive measures. They enable you to manage your health proactively, keeping your metabolism and energy levels in check. So remember, your thyroid is a small gland with a big job. Keep a check on it, because it's not just about your metabolism, it's about your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned, radicals, as we wrap up our health checklist in the next segment. Next up, we have the eye exam, another cardinal entry in our health checklist. This essential test is all about ensuring your vision stays crystal clear. What exactly is an eye exam, you might ask? Well, it's a series of tests carried out by an eye care professional to check your vision and eye health. These tests range from simple ones like reading an eye chart to complex tests, such as using a high-powered lens to examine the health of the tissues inside your eyes. Why is this test so paramount? Vision problems and eye diseases, including glaucoma and macular degeneration, can slowly steal your sight. Often, these conditions develop without symptoms until vision loss occurs. Regular eye exams can catch these issues early, allowing for treatments that can prevent or slow down the progression of vision loss. Especially for those of us in our 40s and 50s, regular eye exams are vital. They help ensure that minor issues don't evolve into major problems. They're not just about maintaining your vision, but ensuring your continued ability to experience the beauty of the world around you. So remember, your eyes are the windows to the world, so take good care of them. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay proactive in preserving your eye health. As we always say, prevention is better than cure. Don't miss out on the beauty of life, radicals. Stay tuned for the conclusion of our health checklist journey. Moving on, let's talk about the skin check, an important tool in detecting skin cancer. What exactly is a skin check, you might ask? Well, it's a detailed examination of your skin for any abnormal moles or skin changes that might indicate skin cancer. A dermatologist or a trained healthcare professional carries out this test, examining every inch of your skin, from your scalp to your toes. Now, why is this test so important? Skin cancer is the most common cancer in the United States, and early detection is crucial for effective treatment. Regular skin checks can spot changes in your skin and identify suspicious moles early on. This allows for early treatment, which can significantly increase the chances of successful cancer treatment. If you are in your 40s and 50s and have had prolonged sun exposure or have a family history of skin cancer, regular skin checks are especially important. So, keep an eye on your skin, radicals. It's your body's largest organ, and it needs your attention. Be proactive, be vigilant, and remember, early detection can save lives. So, let's move forward on our health journey, with our skin's health in check. Stay tuned. Next on our health journey, we have the pelvic exam, a crucial tool in women's health. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a pelvic exam? It is a physical examination of the female pelvic organs to check for any signs of disease. This includes the vulva, uterus, cervix, fallopian tubes, ovaries, bladder, and rectum. But why is this test so important? The pelvic exam plays a critical role in diagnosing diseases like cervical cancer, sexually transmitted infections, and other gynecological disorders. It can help identify problems early before they become more serious. This makes it a powerful tool for early detection and prevention. Regular pelvic exams are recommended for women, especially those in their 40s and 50s. This test is usually performed during regular checkups with your gynecologist. But if you notice any unusual symptoms, don't hesitate to schedule an appointment. Remember, a pelvic exam is a key part of women's health, so don't skip it. It's time to take control of your health, radicals. On to the next step of our journey. Moving forward, radicals, let's discuss the BMI test, an important tool in assessing your overall health. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It's a measure calculated using your height and weight. But why is this test so important? Well, the BMI test provides an estimate of your body fat, and it can help to identify potential weight problems in adults. It is used as a screening tool to predict your risk for chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, which are associated with overweight and obesity. A higher BMI can be an indicator of high body fatness. However, keep in mind that while BMI can be an indicator of high body fat, it does not directly measure body fat. So it's not diagnostic, but it's a good start to know if you're in a healthy range. Regular BMI tests are crucial in maintaining a healthy weight, and thus a healthy lifestyle. So keep a check on your BMI, radicals. It's a good indicator of your overall health. Now, let's move on to the conclusion of our health journey. Last but not least, we have the mental health assessment, a crucial tool in maintaining your mental well-being. This test is an overall evaluation of your emotional well-being and your ability to think, reason, and remember. It can involve a series of questions or a survey conducted by a healthcare professional. But why is this test so important? Mental health disorders, which can affect your mood, behavior, and thinking, are often overlooked and misdiagnosed. Regular mental health assessments can help diagnose conditions like depression, anxiety, or bipolar disorder early, allowing for better treatment and management. Not only that, but these assessments can also help in identifying any potential risk factors and provide preventive measures to ensure your overall well-being. Remember, radicals, mental health is just as important as physical health, so take care of your mind. Regular checkups can make a world of difference in your mental health journey, so don't neglect them. Now, let's wrap up our health journey. And there you have it, radicals. We've journeyed through the crucial landscape of 13 health tests, each bearing its unique significance. We discussed the mammogram, not just a test, but a guardian against breast cancer. Then, the Pap Smear and HPV Test, a dual shield against cervical cancer. And let's not forget the bone density test, a sentinel against osteoporosis. These are just a few of the tests we've explored today. Each of these tests is a beacon in the journey of women in their 40s and 50s, illuminating the path to health and longevity. They are not mere medical procedures, but tools of empowerment, enabling you to take charge of your health, to make informed decisions, and to live a life that is not just longer, but richer and fuller. Remember, knowledge is power, and by staying informed and proactive, you can live a healthier and happier life. Before we wrap up, a piece of advice. Health is a holistic journey, not a destination. Beyond these vital tests, there are fundamental elements that contribute to your overall well-being. Ensuring a balanced diet filled with nutritious food is one of them. It's like fuel for your body, providing the energy you need to keep going. Regular physical activity is another key ingredient. It keeps your heart healthy, your muscles strong, and your mind sharp. And let's not forget about the importance of managing stress and ensuring adequate sleep. These are essential for maintaining both physical and mental health. Remember, your body often communicates with you. Listen to it. If something doesn't feel right, seek medical advice. Trust your intuition and never be afraid to seek a second, third, or even fourth opinion. Health knows no age limit, so take charge, regardless of your stage in life. Now, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment with your thoughts or questions, share this video with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on empowering content like this. Until next time, raw love my radicals.